Hey queens, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Lakendra and the name of my channel is All Things Luxe, a channel dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If this is what you like to watch, then you're in the place that you need to be. Today I am talking about something that I said that I would not buy since the price increase, and I bought it. If you're interested, just stay tuned. All right, queens. I have been trying to avoid this particular item purchased, have turned down several essays on these, but I was in the store. They happened to have my size. I tried them on and I had to buy them. I just had to buy them. I know queens. I have a problem. I have a problem, a huge problem. Luxury addict, fashion addict. It's my peace, it's my release, it's my therapy. Retail is my therapy. So let's just get right into it. So as you can see from the picture, it is a Chanel purchase. I have been on a Chanel kick lately. I need to stay out of there. But it is a Chanel purchase. And it is a pair of shoes. All right. So I'm just going to open them up and we're just going to talk about this. We're just going to discuss these for just a minute. Just a little bit of your time. All right. I'm sure you guys have seen these on social media. They have been flooding our timelines from various essays trying to sell them to us. And they are the Chanel Wedge sandals. All right. Can you see these? Make sure you can see them. All right. Okay. So let's discuss why I have turned down these shoes at least 3 times. When I first saw them, my essay, he always sends me pics of things that they're getting, and when I first saw them I said, oh, those are cute, you know, they're kind of interesting. I might play a part in those. I could pick those up. So I told him I was interested, and okay. When it got time that they were in the boutique, I said, okay, how much are they? When he responded with the amount for these wedges, I was floored. So I was like, are you serious? Am I being punked right now? Are you serious? Really? Are you upcharging these shoes or what? Are these really the price of these shoes? He was like, yeah. I said, oh my gosh, Chanel, you are really on some. Really, really. So the retail price of these shoes, US dollar, is $1,775 US dollars. Did you hear what I said, Queens? $1,775. Why do these cost that much? You can get a pair of Dads for $14 to $15.75, I think. Why so much? So I turned these down a few times, and I was like, no, I'm not buying them. I'm not buying them. So last week, I was just minding my business as I always am, and my SA, Anthony, sent me a text. He had the Floral Dad sandals. They're made out of a denim material, and they have purpley colors in them. If I can find a pic, I will post. You know what? I think I have the pic that he sent, so I will post that. So I went in and I told him, if I don't love them, I'm not buying them. So I went in, tried them on, and they wasn't doing anything for me. And I already have a pair of black, and I could not justify having those. They just wasn't giving me what they were supposed to give. So I was like, no, it's okay. And I was looking, and he had these out, but not in the wedge, in the lower version. Okay, kind of like a dad sandal. And I was like, oh, I said, do you have my size in that? I would love to see what it looks like on me. And he said, I do, and I also have your size in the wedge. I said, don't tell me you have my size in the wedge. No. He was like, yeah, I have a 39. And I was like, you know what? Bring them out. 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 I want to try these shoes on. I want to see what the what all the hype is on these $1,775 pair of shoes is. So he was like, okay. So he brought them out. I was like, okay. I mean, I see that they have C's on them. Chanel. On also the back, they have Chanel. And I was like, well, they look like they're a nice material. I put these babies on, and they felt like heaven. I will show you in the footbed. There is cushion, like I want to say it's velvet material. Very plush and soft. Very plush and soft. They felt so comfortable. Looking at these, I thought they would be too high, maybe uncomfortable, but because of the platform on these, they're nice. So I said, okay, let me take a few pics of them on my feet, and I'm gonna do a video. Posted my video to my stories, asked my Instagram family, should I or should I not? 95% said I should. But I said, well, but what do I think? I liked them. I did, but I just was like, no. I've been saying I'm not gonna spend that type of money on these shoes, and I just was like, no. Well, he said, okay. It was actually Thursday. He said, I'm not here tomorrow or the weekend. I will hold them until Monday, and that will give you plenty of time to think about it. And I said, you know what? You're a good guy. I will sleep on it. He said, I'm gonna hold them for you, and you let me know what you're gonna do on Monday. I said, okay. I thought about it all weekend. I went back, looked at the video of the shoes on my feed, the pictures I took, and I was like, you know what? These shoes are giving me what it's supposed to give. If I do not purchase these shoes next spring and summer, if Chanel doesn't bring them back out, sometimes they do, but they might even be more when they bring them out next year, I will be regretting that I just didn't bite the bullet and just get them. So I got them. What do you guys think? Would you have splurged on these shoes? Do I have a problem, ladies? Do I have a problem? I need help, but I don't want help. I don't want help. But what do you guys think? After I wear them for some time, I might do another review. If you guys are interested, just let me know. I paid for these and I still have not looked at my receipt because I don't want to know what I paid on the final amount with tax and everything. I kind of estimated about $1,900, which is redonkulous, but I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. So queens, this is just a quick video on these Wedge sandals. I love them. I don't know what to say. But I plan on wearing these real soon. I actually was going to wear them last night to my husband's birthday dinner, but he was wearing blue. I got him something blue, so I decided I would also wear something blue to match his style. So these didn't really go with what I was gonna wear or with the blue. So anyway, all right, queens, and anyone that is new here, if you made it this far and if you like this type of content, you like me, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel if you like the content, of course. But if you do, show your girl some love. I would love to have you here. Become a Luxe Queen. Become a part of the Luxe fam. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post a video. And for my returning Luxe Queens, I love you. Thank you so much for commenting and being so kind and sweet and encouraging. You share a love for fashion like I do, and I'm here for it. I am here for it. Queens, please be safe, be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.